Much more humid later on today. 84, you think, well, it's a warm day, it doesn't sound too bad, but you will notice the humidity going up quite a bit. 81 is what's normal for this time of year, and sunset coming at 8:36. And believe it or not, we do have a level 1 marginal risk for severe weather for tonight. Today, during the day, most likely not too much going on, but tonight, later on, much of the area under the threat for a couple of thunderstorms. We'll see here on a future track. Not much expected for today, although it's possible an isolated storm could pop up. Our future track also indicates most of the storm activity overnight here in the northern part of the area, but a few storms could form in central Wisconsin as well. And then tomorrow, it's going to be a hot and humid day, and off and on we could see some thunderstorms, maybe around midday or early afternoon, but the highest chance is going to be here in the evening hours. You see 6 p.m., 7, 8 o'clock, this line of thunderstorms forming along a cold front, and those could be on the strong side. And that front is just going to kind of linger over the area Wednesday night into Thursday morning. It's really not going to move south until later in the day on Thursday. So once again, we could see some showers or a couple of thunderstorms on Thursday, but probably not as much of a severe threat on Thursday as what we have tomorrow. Yeah, it's mainly late afternoon and evening that will have the highest risk for some strong wind with some of those thunderstorms. An isolated tornado not out of the question. We'll keep a close eye on that later in the day. And then even on Thursday, as that front still lingers in the southern half of the area, there might be a stronger storm or two that does pop up. So today 84, and you'll notice it becoming very humid this afternoon, staying muggy overnight with some thunderstorms likely, especially later in the night. A low of only 71, and then tomorrow high of 91, warmest day of July so far. Some storms likely later in the day into the evening hours, and your 7-day outlook does show still pretty humid on Thursday, but with more clouds it'll be a little cooler, high 83. And Friday right now is looking dry, and most of the weekend not looking too bad either, although Saturday there is a slight chance of a storm. It will be warm and humid. A good day, weekend to head off to the lake and take a swim. Yeah, some storms Sunday night. Still humid and warm on Monday.